Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn what is an VAV, why use an VAV in HVAC system, and how to install an VAV. We will also learn how to provide power for VAV and connect to thermostat. If there is single unit providing different zones cooling and each zone need different type of temperature, then VAV is the best solution. Generally, VAV installed in the main branch of the every zone. VAV has one inlet, one outlet, and one bypass. As per necessary temperature, extra air will be thrown out by the bypass. There is one motorized shutter. It will control the airflow. This is the 4-core thermostat wire, but I need only 3 wire. I will use red for load, black for neutral, and green for control wire, and another extra white color wire I will cut through. Here is the main supply wire. Here red providing load, blue providing neutral, and yellow green for earthing. VAV wire connector inside the motor, so we have to remove this motor first, then we can connect the wire. Here is the VAV connector. As per diagram, here number 1 is coming load for the thermostat. Number 2 is neutral. Here also black wire connected of the thermostat, and number 3 is control, green wire for the thermostat. This is the thermostat, Henliu thermostat. Now I am unboxing for you. Here is the catalog for connection. Number 1 is the load, number 3 for control, and number 4 N for neutral. This is the thermostat connector. Here number 1 for load, number 3 for control, and number 4 for neutral. Now I am connecting the thermostat connector. As per wire color code, red is the load. I am connecting to number 1. Green is the control wire, connecting to number 3, and black is the neutral, connecting to number 4. Now I am testing. this motor is working, and also look, the shutter is also opening. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share the video.